With the first day of spring right around the corner, it's the perfect time to go through our freezer and do a bit of, well, let's just say spring cleaning. And with March also being National Frozen Food Month, I can't think of a better time for us to check out all the new stuff that's in our Marcus freezer aisle. And since there are all sorts of sales going on, take advantage of them and stock up. While you're cleaning out your freezer, you'll probably discover a few hidden treasures that you can turn into gold by simply using a bit of creativity. How about teaming frozen waffles with crispy fried chicken, creating a Southern favorite? For a change of pace, rather than serving the same old thing when the gang comes over, what do you say we mix and match a bunch of freezer favorites to create a platter like this? Fried shrimp, pot stickers, taquitos, and stuffed pitas that'll help make any dinner or get-together exciting. And for busy weeknights, look what our test kitchen came up with. It's a Stoup, which is a cross between a stew and a soup. It's simply some meatballs, diced cooked chicken, and veggies that we had in our freezer, simmered in a rich broth. Top each bowl with a par-baked roll smothered with cheese and dig in. The recipe for what we call Chicken and Meatball Parmesan Stoup is online now, so you can make it tonight. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and thanks to National Frozen Food Month, I'm sure you'll find lots of time and money saving ways to say, ooh, it's so good.